Now is the time to change all your PINs, all your passwords, because once they have your information and then they start to backtrack through your other accounts, now they could take everything.
Paul Oster runs Better Qualified, a company that protects against ID theft and credit fraud. If you haven't been victimized yet, it's still a good idea, he says, to look for signs of fraud coming your way.
All of our information is in 10,000 different databases all over the world. It's a question of when, not if, for sure, that someone gets access and uses it.
Target has 1,800 stores nationwide. If you have shopped at one recently, consumer credit expert Paul Oster recommends taking action quickly.
They have to get into a credit monitoring program. They have to look at their credit reports. Make sure if you're going to use a company that has credit monitoring, they have the resolution service. So if you get alerted to a data breach, they can help you recover from that incident.
Are other stores that people are at this hour vulnerable to this kind of breach?
We're all vulnerable. Again, go back to your mobile devices, go back to the digital internet age. When you swipe a card, there's no way that you are, insured that someone doesn't get your information. Cash is king. Sure. We lost that. And go back to your bank, set a budget, go take $500 out, $1,000 out, and use the cash. You're much.
You don't see people do that much anymore, do you?
You're much more likely to be a victim of identity theft, as we were talking about, than getting mugged because you have cash in your pocket. Other than that, use a gift card. Buy gift cards for yourself that you're then going to use online or at the stores, because that will eliminate a big part of the threat. We lock our front doors, we lock our cars. Unfortunately, we take very little care in locking our identities.